Today I am going to show you how to make smash burger tacos. I've been seeing them all over social media the last few weeks and I thought I'd give them a try myself. So I'll talk you through the ingredients, show you how to make them, and I've got a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, and lots of ideas for variations for flavors and ingredients you can include in your smash burgers, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So I am using these tortillas, tacos. You can use corn, you can use low carb ones, you can use gluten-free, really depends on your dietary requirements and what you like to include. I've included, they're quite small, these ones. I thought they'd be a good size to use. Just use as small or as big depending. I'm cooking these on my stovetop in the frying pan. If you're cooking them on a grill, barbecue, just use whichever size you like. I've got this Irish beef mince over here, 530 gram, just over a pound or so of beef mince. You can use any mince that you like. I'm going to, halfway through cooking, put this mozzarella on. You can use any cheese you like or just skip the cheese if you don't want it to be cheesy. We've got some lettuce, kind of essential to have some greens, and it just adds some crunch and loveliness to it. For my seasoning for my beef mince, I'm using salt and coriander. Those are my seasonings of choice. You can use any seasoning you like, add in pepper, anything you want. And for sauciness at the end, I'm using sour cream. You can use tomato sauce, make up your own lovely saucy dip. It is totally up to you. So now I'm going to get everything cooking. So I've just seasoned the beef mince right in the package with plenty of salt and coriander. Add your seasoning of choice here to taste. I like to form my burger buns right in the container, just save some washing up. So I'm going to form that into burgers and also get my stovetop heating with frying pan with plenty of coconut oil. You can use butter instead, or your oil or butter of choice. So I'm just going to form these into burger patties, just like that. 4 burger patties perfectly formed, and I've got a plate with the first tortilla on it. It's up to you how you'd like to create your smash burgers. This is my method of choice. I've got a plate with the wrap on it, and then one by one I'll just pop the meatball burger onto the wrap, and then using the back of a spoon, just smash it down. Just keep smashing, moving it around nice and slowly, and eventually you'll find that the meat reaches to the almost far corners. Just depends on the size of your tortilla and the size of your meat, but really smash it down as thin as you can get it, because that's how you get those nice crispy bits in your smash burgers. So keep pressing it down until your meat has covered up, and then we'll get on with cooking it. So carefully flip over the tortilla into the hot frying pan so it's meat side down, and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. The thinner the meat is, the quicker it will take to cook. So just have it in there and keep a close watch on it. Just press it down with, I'm using an egg lifter. You can use a burger press or any other tool you like to get it nice and smashed, and then flip it over after 3 to 4 minutes, and you can see it's lovely and browned and golden and crisp and smashed and perfect. So now just pop on a slice of cheese, let that melt in, and cook it for another few minutes. It really doesn't take long for the cheese to get nice and melty, and just to cook it through on the other side and get everything nice and golden. And once it's had its 3 to 4 minutes on its other side, then just remove it from the pan and pop it onto a plate. And now it's time for toppings. You can pop any toppings you want to. As I mentioned earlier, my toppings of choice are lettuce and sour cream. So I've got a whole lot of shredded lettuce and some sour cream underneath there, the gooey, cheesy, melted cheese as well, and that lovely crispy meat. It's kind of the perfect meal. I had to cook this one at a time, so this was for one of my kids, and then I went back and cooked a couple more for the rest of the family. But you can just see when you fold into it, it's the perfect smash burger tacos. So this is now my one, actually. I cooked for everyone else in the family and then did mine last. So this one was cooking there, nice and crispy meat and the melty cheese on top, and my fillings all ready to go. Lots of cheese, sour cream and lettuce. Really was a perfect meal. The kids absolutely loved it and definitely want me to make it again. So we will be adding this to our regular weekly rotation of meals. It's just really one of the perfect, quick, easy meals that was just so fun to make, and we all really enjoyed it. And I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and enjoy making smash burger tacos yourself. You can see folded over, the meat gets all sandwiched together and crispy, and with the lettuce nice and crunchy and creamy sour cream and cheese, it's just a perfect meal. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these smash burger tacos a try and what you think of them, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.